as soon as you put your thumb up. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1. $17.5 in first. $28.5 in second. 17.2 in first. 34 flat in third. 37 flat in fourth. $16.9 in first. 25.1 in second. 55.2 in fifth. 102.9 in sixth. 32.2 in third. 16.7 in first. Seconds left. 32.9 in fourth. $16.9 in first. 30 seconds left.
Woo, Austin! What a ride!
29.5 in second. 15 seconds left. 10, 34.7 in third. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 58.4 in fifth. 102.9 in sixth. Last place done.
We saw that.
32.1 in third. Logan Elliott done. 43.3 in second. Josue FPV done.
All right, Heat 2, you're up.
$58.8 in fourth. McKibben done.